What's happening, traders? Welcome back to another video. So today I just want to let you know that our trade inspired clothing brand, the Traders Club, has now gone live on our website. Okay, it's www.ineffects.io. The link is in the description down there. It'll be the first one. It will take you straight to the collection. Everything in the collection was designed by me. I love clothing and I love trading. It's two passions of mine, and to bring the worlds together is something really awesome. So go check it out. I think you're going to like it. There's going to be lots more different designs coming, different products coming, and I'm super stoked about it. I also want to say thank you very much to everyone who supported the channel so far. It's been amazing. Thank you to everyone that's in the Discord. Thank you to everyone that comes into the live streams. Thank you to everyone that just shares the videos. And yeah, you guys are awesome, and I really can't thank you enough. I'll show you another quick design here that I've got. This is the InEffects trading tee. Okay, and on the back it has our motto, patience is the game. Alright, but there's lots more on there, so go check it out. And also this one, the Traders Club, and this is the Candle Man. Don't give up, you got this. Hopefully you can see that. I love this one. So yeah, go check it out, links in the description. And also there's a 25% discount code down there, so if you use that for the first week, you're going to get 25% off. Thank you guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.